If you want some tips in rehearsing presentations, and we spend our time rehearsing people with their presentations, here are a couple of ideas for you. Try creating a 90-second version of your presentation. No visual aids, no PowerPoint, just tell the whole story in 90 seconds. If you can do it in 90 seconds, you'll be able to do it in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever it is. That's probably the first really simple tip.
The best way to rehearse a presentation is to just practice and read it out loud, and ideally record yourself. And we're now in the Zoom age, you can actually press a button on your laptop and actually watch your performance back. Even better, get somebody who is going to listen to you and give you some constructive feedback. And that is basically what we do. We can give you tools to lift your performance and actually enhance it, but keep practicing, because actually a written script is not the same as the spoken word. And you almost need to feel the words in your mind and feel the roll of them on your tongue. It's very important.
People often ask us how you should rehearse a presentation. Well, the answer is not in the back of a taxi on your way to the meeting. Give yourself time. We normally recommend at least 3 proper presentation practices to give you the chance to run through the whole thing in a situation as close as possible to the situation that you're going to be in on the day. That's proper rehearsal for a successful presentation.